Hi, I'm Sue Grant from Berthon, and this is an introduction to the video walkthrough of the Ocean Voyager 70 Tara. Four-wheel drive motor yachting at its best. Please do have a look. So here is the Ocean Voyager 70 Tara from 2021. Whenever Ocean Voyager bring out a yacht, she is very special. This Explorer has a SCRIMP hull, built in New England and then shipped to Canada for fit out. Alloy top deck, very rugged, based on the same principle as a Charney, a sailing yacht which they converted to Explorer, and on this yacht it works really well. So here we are, here is Tara. Big swim platform. Have a look at her crane, which is holding a alloy high-field rib with a 20 horsepower Yamaha. The crane is a Nautical Structures hydraulic crane which can take up to 1,100 pounds. The workings for it is in the massive aft lazarette, which also has 3 dive tanks, compressor, water maker, loads and loads of storage. Very pretty side profile, wide side decks which I really like, lovely cockpit up to the flybridge. This is a very usable yacht. You see the covered bimini top. We'll have a look at the solar array on that in a little while. And this is a great area for storing the dinghy, working, diving from, and with shallow steps down onto the large swim platform. Very practical. Tara has a range of 1,400 nautical miles. She's got a pair of Volvo D3 150 diesels, runs on fumes, very easy sea motion. Bare aluminium pilot house, which does look very cool. Large foredeck, as you can see, lots of hatches, great ventilation. And you've also got access from forward onto the flybridge. Solar array here, there are more up above. And then forward, she's got a Lumar anchor windlass, Rockner anchor, and underneath this hatch is a large forward lazarette with loads of space for storage. Very simple decks, no teak anywhere, easy to keep, very well insulated, with the thought in mind that she would be suitable for northern latitude cruising. So she would. This deck house has very good vision for driving from inside, but of course this flybridge is also excellent. Open array SIMRAD radar, T-top, massive solar array, 5 of these. This is going to power, or will power, all the ship's systems apart from hot water when you're at anchor, in reasonable weather of course. She's running on SIMRAD. She's got a bow thruster, controls for the Volvos there as well. And then down into this rather lovely covered cockpit area, lots of seating. Now we'll go down below and have a look at Tara's interior. Okay, so the thing I really appreciate about this yacht is how light and bright she is. white with lovely wood trim. Proper control station internally if you want to drive from inside. And because the pilot house and lower saloon are open to one another, you get an enormous feeling of space. She's got 5 cabins, but of course she's easily handled by 2 people, so it's entirely up to you how many guests you take. Should be a great yacht for the Arctic or for Pacific cruising. It's just so comfortable. Large galley, good refrigeration. Four-burner cooker, microwave, twin sink, loads of storage. Fully air conditioned, she's got 5 units. And here you've got a nice double guest cabin with heads, electric loos, Thefords, separated shower stall. And then to starboard, the same idea. And if you look, you can see the separated shower stall. Beyond that is the forward lazarette with storage. So important to have enough space for everything if you're going to spend a lot of time on board and go far. We'll have another look at this galley. Very nice and open, lots of handholds, very safe for being in a seaway. And then the aft accommodation is also vast. You have 3 cabins down here. Just have a quick look in the engine room. There are the Volvos, there's a Northern Lights 16 kVA genset, upper and lower berth cabin to port, and the same to starboard. These 2 cabins have shared heads compartment. And then we walk aft into the owner's stateroom, which has lots of storage, light and bright. I mean, that really is the theme of Tara. Ensuite heads compartment, desk, really great place to spend time. There she is. Plenty of over-deck hatches, so she's got good ventilation below. And then back through the passageway, up into this lovely pilot house. And there we have it, Tara, 70-foot Ocean Voyager.